Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. This is going to be a doozy. BMW. Alright, we got a 2009 BMW X6. Customer's complaint, not only is the check engine light on, but we got reduced power. What the heck is going on? I don't know. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, first, let's see if this light is on. Yeah, no, it went out. Alright, the check engine light is not on. But she did also say she had reduced power, so you know what? Let's get our scanner, hook it up, and see if there's anything in the computer. We'll be right back. Alright guys, today, check this out. We're gonna use our Actron to hook up to this. Now your diagnostic connector, see I got a light down there so you can see it. It's up under the dashboard to the left of the steering column. Now, so if you look right over here, way into there, see a cover? Mm-hmm. So what you gotta do, is pull that cover down, and if you look in there, you can see a diagnostic connector. So let's get this hooked up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. Yeah, we got codes here. SRS system, we got 2 codes. ABS system, we got 6 codes. And for the ECM, we got 3 codes. Be like, why that check engine light wasn't on? I don't know, man. You asked me for. I'm just gonna diagnose it. All right, so we can hit enter. The ECM codes is what I'm worried about. Power management, electrical system monitor, failed. EWS manipulation project, failed. Protection failed. The good old that one. 3. Don't tell me stop moving it. What the heck? Yeah. Exhaust turbocharger, low pressure side. All right, that will definitely give us a loss of power. Very easy code to diagnose, guys. Very easy. All right, so we got a code 12543. All right, let's pop the hood, go up under there, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna look for. Be right back. All right, guys, up under the hood. Now, what the heck? We're missing a bolt here, a bolt back here. That one's not even in there. So this is the one that's holding on. You got B solenoids, actuators on this going to the wastegate, vacuum lines. If any of these vacuum lines are cracked or broken, you're gonna lose power. So the number one thing we gotta do is search around for vacuum breaks. Now, most common on these, because especially I'm checking this, somebody had pulled this cover off. This cover has 3 vacuum lines going to it, and a lot of times people break them up. We got one right here, and then we got 2. What the heck is this? That'll do it. Somebody put some kind of gunk or JB Well or something here trying to hold this together. The customer just bought this vehicle about a month ago. Yeah, they did some mess here, man. Wait a minute, what is that over there? Come right here, come on this side, and look straight down there. inside there. That's red dirt. They've been four-wheeling with this vehicle. They've been definitely... Man, look at this, guys. What the heck is this over here? What the... Come over here, Civvy. On this side. If you look down... Look at all that, guys. Right there. This thing must have had a major oil leak, or has one. They pressure washed it and all that. But that's not our concern right now. This will definitely cause it to lose boost, and it comes with the whole cover. Now let me, in fact, let me start this up. What's that noise? Like rattle noise. I'm gonna tap the gas a little bit. But I definitely hear it. Oh, no, it's still there. I thought it was.
It doesn't get louder when you do that.
She did say something like it was ticking. I wonder if this thing, it just sounded like it was coming from the chain. That would suck. Let me shut it off. Alright guys, I'm gonna shut it off and I'll be right back. Ready. Alright guys. Oh, you was already recording. She was already recording. I'm saying ready, man. I didn't say ready. I don't know why she gonna record, and I wasn't even saying, I didn't say ready yet. That's the key word. When I say ready, let me start recording. And when I say we'll be back, then stop. I don't know. Anyway, all right. I got a pair of needle nose pliers here. These are for the hoses. You definitely want something like this. Now, what you want to do if you come over this side?
Don't tell me what I want.
What you want to do? You see, there's two fit. Well, they're both in it too. But what you want to do is you got to pull this back, and you got to grip these right about there on each side. Look, in fact, this one's broken already. You got that tab right there, ridges on it, and on the other side. You got to squeeze it in and pull it back. And sometimes these are very difficult, so what you got to do is try to use some vice. I'm about to.
Come on now. Can't see.
So what you want to do is squeeze that a little bit and back it off. And I guess this is why they broke the other one. Because these ain't all that easy. And what I'm using is using the cover to pull back on it. Pull it back and take it right off. That's how you think. And as you can see, they're kind of difficult, and that's why they broke that one off in there. I mean, why couldn't I would just use some super glue, crazy glue or something, put around there. I don't know. Hey, but anyway, the next thing you want to do is get you a 5mm hex bit, and you're gonna have 4 5mm hex bit screws.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. This one I only got one. Now you want to be careful about taking this up, because you still got this one over here. So you want to take it up a little bit. Get these screws out. We drop these. And you know, people, this is a 2009, so probably took it up to do the spark plugs or something, and somebody didn't realize those was connected to this, and they thought it was just a cover, and they just pulled it up, snatched it up, and broke it.
Oh snap!
Oh snap! Now this one, you can see right here. This one you can take off the hose and do that, but this thing is actually part of the cover. So you got this cover now has to be replaced, and that sucked because it has to be replaced, or the car's not gonna have no boost. So, yeah, there's a good look at it. There's a good look at it, Civvy. Check that out. Yeah, buddy. All right. So guys, this was a easy diagnostics, but it can cost you a lot because you go into the repair shop and they're gonna hit you with in the head with a bunch of stuff. But anyway, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Check these first, and then go around checking the other vacuum lines. And you say, what are you talking about other vacuum lines? You got this one going down over here. You're gonna have the solenoid right here with the vacuum lines right here. You want to check all these vacuum lines, and these are rubber hoses, so you more than likely you're not gonna have to worry about those. But if you don't find a vacuum leak, then you ain't looking good enough. Nah, if you don't find one, do yourself a favor and get a smoke test done. A smoke test will find that and any other vacuum leak. So what we're gonna do is put all this back together, and when you connect this back over here, that's all you gotta do is just push it forward, and that's it. Now these lines right here also have tie straps right there on the little hose. So if you want, you can cut that off and try to take that off if you feel nervous about doing that. But let's put this back together the best we can, and we'll be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 2009 BMW X6 X Drive 35i with a 3.0 engine, and we had a 12543 code and also a complaint of loss of power from the customer. So we showed you some of the things that you can check in your vehicle to see what's going on with that. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.